broke it again. I broke it again. Oh no, this time it's the wishbone on the Arrma Typhon. We're going to fix it under 1 minute because it makes me all sad that it's broken. Let's do this. Okay, there we are. That's how you change a front wishbone on one of these, an Arrma Typhon, lovely car, in under a minute. So if you want to know where to get them from, look in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, ding the bell, the old ding dong bell, I call it, yeah, ding the bell. Other than that, we'll see you soon. Bye!